So we're going through these very quickly. Students have had all period to answer them. So this should be just finding the answers. So 10%, 2 9/10. 1%, move the decimal twice. I need 12, so I need 1 10% and 2 the 1%. Put them together. We have 3 4800ths. 10%, 1 1/10, move it twice. I need 4 of them. So that's going to be 1 1/10 plus 4400ths. Gives us 1 5400ths. 1 7/10, 1700ths. I need 12%. So I need 1 7/10 plus 2 of the 10s is 34. Gives us 2 400ths. Number 5, 2 6/10, 2600ths. I need 4 of those, so 2600ths times 4 gives us 24. 4 8 10. I need 2 decimal places, so 2 6/10 with 1 400ths gives us 3 6400ths. This one should have been the easiest one around. I need 4 of those. That's 8 8/10 plus 2 gives us 2 8/10. Number 7, another super easy one. It's just 3 3/10. I need 3 of those. So 3 9/10 gives us 3 9/10. 1 2/10, 1200ths. I need 4 of those. That's 1 2/10 and 4800ths. Gives us 1 6800ths. Number 8, 1 6/10, 1600ths. I need 3 of those. So 1 6/10 and 4800ths gives us 2 800ths. Ladies, I hope you're checking all your answers instead of just talking. Okay, 1 9/10 and 1900ths. I need 3 of those. So that's going to be 1 9/10 and 5700ths. Gives us 7, 4, 2 4700ths. Any questions on that page? Okay, going to the maze. And honestly, guys, the maze is going to be the majority of your test. Every one of these you set up, start exactly the same way. That should be your setup from the get-go. Find my percent, find my of, I don't know what it is. What's left goes here. Can't go directly, so I'm going to divide by 2 to give me 4 50, so that I can go times 3. Gives me 150, meaning I go straight up. On this one, over 100. Whoa, hello, don't know why I kept moving. I have 20% of what? I don't know, gives me 35. This one I'm going to divide by 4. That's going to get me 5 and 25. So that I can go, I don't know what that one did. Oh, we're all the way back to the warm-up. Here we go. There we go. So that one's gone. We're going all the way to here, times 7. So times 7 gives me 175. Coming down. Starting with our baseline. What percent? I don't know. Of 200 is 48. So I'm actually going the other way. So I'm going to divide by 2. Gives me 24. 24 brings me... This is really doing well today. Okay, here we go. Come down 24. Start here. What percent? I don't know. Of 40 is 50. Can't go directly 40, so I'm going to divide those by 10. Gives me 5 and 4. 4 times 25 gives me 100. So 5 times 25 gives me 125. Coming up here. This one is actually another pretty simple one. I don't know my percent. My of is 200. What's left is 125. I'm again dividing by 2. This one just gives me a decimal. So that's going to be 62 and 5/10. Coming straight down. Our last few here. We've got 2% of 150. I don't know, so I need to go back. Divide by 2 gives me 1 and 50. That means I'm going times 3. Gives me 3. over 100. I have 140% of 15 is what? I don't know. 100 won't go to 15, so if I'm coming back, I'll divide by 20. Gives me 7 and 5. Let's try that again, 7 and 5. Try it a third time. There we go. 5 times 3 gets me 15. Times 3 gives me 21. Start with our base setup. 12% of what? I don't know. Gives me 18. Can't go directly, so I'll divide by 2 to give me 6 and 50. There we go. Times 3. Times 3 gives us the 150 again. Questions on the maze? Questions on using your benchmark percents? So that's going to be the whole test, guys. I will give you a warning on the test. It will not be a maze. It's not self-correcting. But it's going to be the same setups, same types of numbers. And it's going to be pretty evenly split between having to find the percents, the parts, and the wholes. So you need to understand how to do all three. The beauty of the percent proportion is it gives you the easy way to find them all. Yes? I'm sorry? Guys, have a seat. No one said to move anywhere. Sit down.